Hey, what's up, guys? Are you guys sick and tired of being broke? Of never having enough money? You grab your wallet and you look inside, right? You open it up, you look inside, and you see you're down to your last dollar, right? You're like, man, my last dollar again? Shoot, let's go buy a lottery ticket. See, that's what most people would do. But I know here in Tim's Club, you aren't most people, right? So today we're going to be talking about why you never have enough money and some things that you can do to change that, all right? But right before that, guys, you already know I got to do the introduction. Welcome back, all my Tim's Club members. You guys are the best. So good to see you. And if you're new here, guys, I'm Tim from Tim's Club, where I make videos about singing, self-development, and vlogging. So if you're into those things, subscribe to be part of the club and stick around. All right, so let's hop right into it. And I know what some of you guys might be thinking. Tim, why the heck are you talking about money? Well, guys, self-development includes bettering ourselves in all aspects of life, including wealth and finances. So let's get into the topic at hand, guys. Number one reason, guys, why you never have enough money is because you're spending on things that don't make you money. Maybe you just really enjoy food and you're always going out and spending it, on high-end restaurants and bars and whatnot, and just, splashing everywhere like you're balling. Or maybe you're always buying some new clothes or some shoes or things like that. Or, maybe you're like me and you're into, like tech, video games, computers, things like that. So you're always buying the newest thing, the newest phone or the newest computer part or the newest video game. So you gotta really watch where you're spending your money, guys. Stop spending it on things that don't actually make you money in return. Okay, so those things are called liabilities. And this may be a little bit tricky sometimes, guys, right? Like I said in the beginning of the video, we might want to buy a lottery ticket, right? Because we think it has the potential of winning us money. But actually, guys, if you actually look at the statistics and see, what are the chances of you actually winning, it's very, very low, right? So a lot of the times, most often, that money is just gonna go down the drain, okay, guys? Take that dollar, take those few dollars, instead of buying a lottery ticket, you can invest it in yourself, in your education, in your skill sets. And guys, that leads into the second thing I want to talk about, about why you never have enough money is because you're not constantly, increasing and educating yourself on money, right? Are you learning and hanging around people who handle and manage money well? Or are you going out of your way and, investing in yourself, in your education, and maybe reading some books? I actually picked up a couple of books here on Amazon, right? The first one here is The Richest Man in Babylon. So you can see this one here. And the next one is The 4-Hour Workweek right here. All right, guys. So it's important to continuously educate yourself on money, guys. So whenever you get a pay raise or a bonus or you find some extra cash, you know what to do with it. You're financially educated. So always keep educating yourselves, guys. And guys, it's not just cash money. Understand that money comes in many forms, right? You can leverage credit, right? So how much do you guys know about, banks and credit cards and loans and things like that, you see? Maybe you guys can do a little bit more research on credit cards, you see? I got a handful right here. So there's ways that you can, leverage credit cards to build up your credit, to earn points, which you'll be able to use to be able to travel for free or to be able to pay off some debt with no interest. You see, guys, so the more knowledge you have about money and finances, the more wealthy you will be. So guys, always be learning more about money like you're doing right here, right now. Okay? Guys, and the third reason why you never have enough money is because you don't pay yourself first. Okay, guys? Even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, and I know it may be hard, like sometimes you barely have enough at the end of the month to scrape by, but it's important to know that you got to put away that money for yourself first. Whenever you receive that paycheck or the money, take your cut first, a small percentage, 5-10%, whatever you're able to put away, because looking back on these pandemic times, these past couple of years, a lot of people have lost their jobs, right? So you never know if your income is going to take a hit or take a dive, right? So it's important to be able to build that cushion, remember to pay yourself first. Each and every month, stack it up just a little bit, whatever it is you can put away, stack it up. be consistent with it, okay? And that way you'll be able to grow, you know, like a safety cushion for when that rainy day hits. And it will hit, I assure you that, guys. There's no summer that lasts forever. So be prepared. Start today, guys. Start putting away a little bit into savings, into investments, okay? Pay yourself first. And guys, also when you do that, when you take that money and you put it away, it makes you, and you realize at the end of the month that maybe you don't have enough to pay for the necessities and the bills, then it's gonna make you think, it's gonna force your mind to think and create and come up with different ways for you to be able to earn more money to cover your expenses, your necessities, you see? So it'll expand. So it'll kind of push you a little bit harder to earn, to make that a little bit of extra money. Okay, guys? So it's important to remember always to pay yourself first. So guys, I could talk about this all day, but I don't want to make this video like an hour long. So let's do a recap, okay? Number one, guys, it's important to stop spending money on things that cost you money, right? Instead, spend money on investments in assets and not liabilities, you know, not things that just they go down in value over time. And number two, guys, it's important to remember to always increase your financial knowledge and invest in yourself, you know, whether it's buying that book or that course, or, you know, hiring a coach or maybe a tax person, whatever it is for you to be able to get that knowledge about money or finances or your credit, right, guys? Keep increasing your knowledge of money and how it works. And guys, number three was always pay yourself first, all right? Remember to be able to build up that safety net, that nest egg, so that way, you know, you have that cushion when that rainy day comes. You know, each and every month, put a little bit away for you first. Because guys, if you really think about it, aren't you your most valuable asset? So, you know, put that money away for you. And when I mean put it away for you, I mean like save it. I mean like save some of it for a rainy day. I don't mean like buy silly things with it, okay? And so guys, if you apply all of this knowledge, you'll be able to turn your last dollar into, you know, stacks of dollars, okay? You'll be able to make racks, all right? The money will come, all right? So make sure you apply this knowledge. That way it's not always a struggle making ends meet. And so if you guys liked this video, if you learned anything new, or you just had fun hanging out here in Tim's Club, then please hit that like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, I just want to thank you all so much for being part of Tim's Club. Yes, respect. You guys are the best. Alright, this is where I inspire you guys one video at a time. So till next time, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Yeah, let's raise the consciousness up in here. Listen up. I am creator, we take action now and not later. So unfazed, we even love the haters. Building this from the ground up, layer by layer. Playing this game of life, aiming to be